you're looking for the convenience of apartment living, but also an expansive back garden, well, here's your back garden and here's your apartment. Let's just enjoy the view. This fantastic two-bedroom apartment is designed for both comfort and practicality. It's the largest available on site, with its 2 double bedrooms, both with wardrobes, and the master with an ensuite. Seamless indoor-outdoor flow to the deck with simply amazing views that feel far from the typical compact city offering. There's so much investment into Avondale, and now is the time to secure your place in one of Auckland's most exciting and fast-evolving suburbs. This 2-bedroom apartment is one of the best we've ever seen, and we can't wait to show you through. So make sure you come along on the weekend to the open home or give us a call and arrange a private viewing.